David Johnson from Superior Lapidary from the great northern Wisconsin. So today, as always, I got something to do, and instead of cutting rocks and doing things like that, I'm going to be fixing another tool. What I've got to do is take what's in this box and install it on my old Lortone 8-inch grinder. I've got a new wheel. Let's see if I can open this up. I'll show it to you. Right there. Oh, there she is. Look at that. That is a heavy wheel. It says right on here, 225.4-38 millimeter 60. So it's a 60 grit 8-inch wheel, basically. And it's a sintered wheel. You can see how thick that surface is. So I should be able to grind on this for a long time. I've got currently an 8-inch 60 grit wheel on my Lortone grinder, which is sitting beside me. I'm literally working on about 10 other projects right now, but I arrived at a point where I realized I've got to change the wheel on here. I'll show you. Because I've started stacking projects on the tray. So I can't even get to the wheel. Because I got projects here that I need to use. And furthermore, down in front of it has become storage area for all sorts of stuff too. So I got to clear this out and change that. And I guess when I looked at it and realized just how much crud I got in front of here, it's because that wheel is wore out and I'm barely getting any grinding done. I'll show it to you in a second. So step one, I got to move all this stuff out of here so I can get to the project. Alright, that's my to-do projects. Alright, that's good enough. Let's get to changing that wheel out. Alright, well, there's a little bit of life left in this wheel, but I'm opting to go with the good one. So, I gotta get this off. And looking at it, it looks to me like it's a left-hand thread. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, boy, that is exciting. That's something I did not expect. I did pick this up from Highland Park, and it actually came pretty quick. The last one, the one that's on here, came from Johnson Brothers. And I have used this for, 8 years or more. So it served me well. I've done a lot of grinding on it. Mostly the grinding surface on the edges. The inside, the middle is not that great. Alright, big washer. And this took a series of 2 bushings to fit on that shaft. There, 2 bushings. Now, let me get the new one out. I'm going to go clean this stuff up a little bit and we'll get back to you. Well, we didn't do a full restoration or anything like that, but maybe one day I will in the future. But right now, This thing's working fine. It's just getting a little rusty. My label is gone, etc., etc. There's my old wheel. Oh, man. And there's the new one. It's got to be 3 times the weight. It did not come with any bushings, which is too bad because it needs bushings. Fortunately, hopefully, the ones that came with my Johnson Brothers wheel, I hopefully can use in here. Let's find out. Oh, yeah, they work. So, thank you, Johnson Brothers. It's got some little paper bits on it. I don't care. And again, it's right hand thread, so lefty tighty, righty loosey on this one. That'll mess you up, I'll tell you. I could try for a very long time trying to get this off the wrong way. But fortunately, if you think of the physics, it has to be that way. There's also little notches on this nut. And that is an indicator. It might be left-hand thread. So this nut has got little notches around the edge in every corner. So that's your indicator that it's a left-hand thread. The other side I'd show you, but it just simply does not have notches. You don't have to get these extremely tight. Oh, I gotta stop and think about this every time I go to do something. Good enough. All right, I gotta find my cord, plug it in. See how she runs. I can tell there's a little more weight on here on startup. Starts a little slower. Put a little water to it. I got to put my little guard back up, and we'll do that after this test. I just got a little edge on here I got to take off. Gone. Wow, that was fast. Oh my gosh, that is so much nicer than what I had. Oh man. All right. Well, there we have it. That was the simplest job I've done in a long time. I've got some others that are causing me great grief. This was simple. It's a little slow on startup, but I got enough power here to handle it. It's going to work. The thing grinds like a dream. I love it. I wish I had put it on years ago. So anyway, thanks Highland Park for the wheel. I'll show you on the website where I found it, and maybe you'll think about getting one too. So, till next time.